Hey everybody, what's up? Marc Supsic here, certified wine and spirits professional and partner with Wines Til Sold Out. Maybe one of the more frustrating things about being a wine lover is when you're not able to finish a bottle of wine and eventually you have to pour it out because it's no longer any good. Well, if like me, you're tired of pouring wine down the drain, I've got the solution. This is Repour. And with Repour, keeping your wine fresh is as easy as putting a stopper in a bottle. These were actually invented by a chemist. Each stopper has a special packet inside that chemically reacts with oxygen and literally removes it from the bottle. It's as easy as peeling off the tab and popping it in the bottle. Not only does Repour eliminate 100% of the oxygen in the bottle, but it can be reused to keep the same bottle of wine fresh for up to 2 months. Now, as a wine professional, I can tell you, if you're an open bottle of wine, oxygen is not your friend. But Repour Wine Saver is. Generally speaking, each Repour will last as long as your bottle of wine does, and when it's done, it's recyclable. At just $9.99 for a pack of 4, this is probably the most affordable and easiest way I can think of to preserve your wine. As you make your purchase through Wines Til Sold Out, be sure to add a few to your cart. So here's to many happy pours, or should I say, Repours. For Wines Til Sold Out, I'm Marc Supsic. Cheers.